Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fold this Origami Brachiosaurus. Now, this model has an interesting story because at the end of last summer I was watching Jurassic World Dominion, and in the movie they had an origami dinosaur. And I thought that would be kind of a cool thing to fold, so while the movie was going I was folding in the background and I came up with this result, and I'm really happy with it. And with that being said, here's how to fold it. Alright, so I'm going to start this model off with a 6-inch of green paper. This model is a medium hard level complexity, so it's a little tricky. Alright, so let's start white side up, and let's valley fold diagonally in half. Unfold, rotate, and repeat. Valley fold diagonally in half. And let's unfold. Now we're going to fold a fish base. So let's valley fold up, unfold, and valley fold up in this direction, and unfold, and let's fold these both together, and let's collapse to the right, and rotate and repeat. So valley fold up, unfold, valley fold up, unfold, fold them both at the same time, and collapse it to the left this time. Alright, now let's rotate 180 degrees. And then now you want to make a fold that starts at this point. So let's valley fold up. And you want to make a fold so that this back line and this line are parallel. So they're both on top of each other. Like that. And then now, let's unfold and do the same in the other direction, starting at this point. Let's fold down, and again make sure that the edges align at the bottom, like that. And then now you want to pull out some loose paper here. Let's actually first unfold it, and then valley fold these two up, and then down. And then let's refold this. Alright, now let's pull out our loose paper and then valley fold on this crease that we just made. And let's squash down like this. Alright, and then now let's make a valley fold in between this point and this point right here. So let's peel the layer up. And let's squash down. Okay, and then now let's open up here and release this trapped layer. And squash fold it down to match with the other squash. Like that. And then now let's fold the layer up, and let's fold just the right layer down, and let's squash fold it right here. And let's rotate, and our model should look like this. And one more step, let's take this point and this point. Let's make a valley fold in between these 2 points. And our model should look like this. Alright, now we're going to do kind of a tricky step. We have to do kind of a swivel. So let's mountain fold this. And let's bring this point and this point together. Like that. And then squash this like that. So it was like this, and we just kind of we just kind of twisted it like that. And then now what you want to do is reverse fold this corner inside and reverse fold the left corner inside as well, like that. Alright, now let's work on the front legs, which are going to be these points right here. So let's valley fold up like this, and then let's valley fold this point to this point, and then unfold, and let's make a rabbit ear, folding both of those at the same time, making a crease right here, and valley folding across. And then let's do the same here. Let's valley fold up, valley fold this way, and then valley fold them both at the same time, making a point at the top and collapse. Alright, now we're going to unfold both of these. And we're going to open this little point right here and squash, and let's petal fold to the left, and let's valley fold down. And now we want to open this pocket and squash down, and then petal fold to the right and valley fold down. Alright, now I'm going to zoom in, and let's just reverse fold this point out like that. Make sure that's nice and neat, and make sure that the edge lines up with this edge, and do the same with this point, just so that these lines are parallel. So our legs should look like that. Okay, now this is a pretty tricky step, but we want to valley fold down and valley fold up. The creases won't let you fold all the way, you just have to kind of go like this. And then you want to fold them both at the same time. And then to squash, we kind of have to make the point like that, and then flatten down. I'll show it again on this one. So valley fold down like this, and then valley fold up, and then do both at the same time. This is kind of like a rabbit ear, but the only exception is this part right here, so you have to kind of flatten it a different way. Like that, so the inside should look like that. And then now this is the really tricky part, so we valley fold in half. That wasn't tricky, but this next step is. So we have to get these legs in the right position. So we have to open up here and reverse fold along this line right here. So push up, and so that this point should reach the top. And let's flatten. Okay, and then now I'm going to work on the tail. So let's open this flap and reverse fold. Luckily the tail is a lot easier. And then let's reverse fold in to make the tail shorter. And then do the same over on the other side. So now we have a nice skinny tail. And then now what you want to do is kind of tricky. So let's valley fold down here, like that. And then we want to make a crimp. So let's open here, and let's just valley fold up, like that. And let's uncrimp. And then what you want to do is mount and fold this corner behind, there's no reference to this, just fold it so it looks like that. And then do the same on the other side. Let's valley fold and tuck in. And then let's redo the crimp. So just fold it back up like this. So it should look like that. Alright, we're almost done. We're just going to make the head. So let's valley fold to taste just what you want the head to look like. And then let's unfold. And then let's outside reverse fold. Like that. And then you want to fold the edges in so that they line up with the center crease. And then let's do the right one. Alright, and then the final steps, let's just reverse fold this inside just as much as you want. And then just to make it look good, let's curve the tail a little bit. Like that. And that is your Brachiosaurus. I hope you were able to fold this. This was rather tricky. And in the meantime, have fun folding.